management account. Okay, you be in front of your computer, and we will help you to check the reports and make you understand in a better way that what's happening with your computer at this moment, sir. All
Okay,
right?
yeah, alright, I'll just switch it on
Yeah.
then, just a moment.
All right, sir. You take a time and switch it on, and just let me know when it's on. Okay?
Right, it's booting up.
Sir, you just let me know when it's fully on. Okay?
Yeah, it's nearly there, just sign in.
All right, sir. It's booting up, right?
Yeah, it is now, yeah.
Yeah. All right, sir.
Yeah, it's on. I've got my desktop
It's on, right?
icons in front of me.
Yes, sir. You be on the line. My senior technician will help you to see those reports. Okay?
Okay then, yeah. Alright.
Sir, you need to be in your normal home screen, okay? Where you can see all of your icons, right?
Yeah, I am already, yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you see on the screen now?
I've just got all my desktop icons.
All right. Now, sir, you have a look on the left-hand side, bottom corner of your screen.
Oh,
Do you
damn,
see
hang on a
there is a
minute.
Windows logo,
Oh,
a start button?
on where?
Yeah, on the left-hand side, bottom corner of your screen.
My screen, yeah.
Do you see there is a start button, a Windows icon? Looks
Uh,
like a four little square together.
yeah, got it, yeah.
And just right next to that, you will see a search panel where you can type.
Yeah,
Do you see that?
I do, yeah.
The search panel.
Yeah. Yeah. It says search.
You need to type there, okay? On the search panel, you need to type their event to
Event.
check what's happening.
Just a
You
minute.
have to type their event.
Event. Yeah.
Are you done?
Event bright. Event log. Event.
Event viewer. You look
Event.
for event
Yeah,
viewer.
yeah. Event viewer. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you need to open that. Click
Open
on it.
that. Okay. Right, yeah.
Now, any changes?
It says custom views, administrative events, device
Yes. On
manager.
the left, yes, on the left-hand side column, you will see custom views, Windows logs.
Yeah, yeah. Cool.
You need to open that custom views, which is
Alright.
on the left-hand side column. And once you double click on custom views, you will see administrative events.
Yeah.
You need to open that,
Right.
double left click on it.
Yeah. There's some yellow
Yes,
triangle
now,
warnings and some errors.
yes, do you see there are some warnings and errors, and if you can check the date and time, you will see the current date, today's date as well, 5th of
Uh,
September.
yeah,
Next to
yeah,
errors,
yeah. There's a few of them, yeah.
yes, so now, so this is the exact reason why you're getting this call today. Now, these errors, warnings that you can see on your screen, these are not because of any hardware, software, any kind of virus problem. This is the security breach on the computer. Somebody else is also monitoring this computer, and they are logged into your computer as an administrator. And every
Right.
time your computer gets monitored, your computer automatically generates all these alerts, warnings in our security server, which is the reason why we have to call you today, so that we can make sure everything is safe and secured from your end. Okay?
Okay. What was your name?
It's not a. Yeah, my name is Jason, sir.
Jason. Right.
So it's not a sales or any kind of telemarketing call. We are not selling you anything. You don't have to
Right.
buy anything from us. It's a security checkup call. And look at the very top. Do you see number of events?
Yeah.
And you can check it out, sir, a huge many times. This computer is getting monitored, and right now also the computer is generating all these alerts. Means the computer is still getting monitored right now. Now it's a Microsoft related problem.
Where, where,
So
the,
now,
where are the alerts coming from? The warnings coming from?
I'm sorry. Yeah, they are from the different location. They are monitoring a system from different parts of this world,
That's the
and
warning.
whenever you're
Is that the warnings or the errors?
yes, the warnings and errors. These are when they are trying to get into your system.
Oh,
The
right.
components, your defender, your firewall is trying to stop it, and as a
Yeah.
result, this
Oh,
errors warnings gets generated.
right.
Now
Hmm.
you close that page now.
Uh, yeah. Closed it. Yeah. Yeah. Back to my main screen.
All right. Now once again, you have a look on the left-hand side bottom of your screen. There is a search
Yeah.
panel.
Yeah.
You need to type there now. Run. R-U-N. Run.
R-U-N. Run. Yeah, there's a little
And
white box come up with type the name of the program, folder, document, or
yeah,
internet
right.
resource,
And
and
just
Windows will
yeah,
open it for you.
right. And just below that, you would see there's a open panel, a long white panel
Yeah,
where you can type.
yeah, there is, yeah.
Yeah. So is it empty or is something is already typed on it?
There's a little line in it. Oh, it's
Oh,
blinking.
okay. You need
It's
it.
blinking.
Okay. Now you need to type there now. www dot
www. Hang on. Dot.
uh, and then A as in alpha,
There's an alpha.
N for November,
Yeah,
Y for Yankee,
yeah,
D for Delta,
yeah,
E for Echo,
yeah,
S for Sugar,
yeah,
K for Kilo,
yeah.
and then dot com.
Dot com. Click on OK.
Yes, click on OK now.
Oh, hang on, it's come up. Can't reach this page. Checking the connect. It's checking the connection because it can't reach this page. www
Okay.
percent to server IP address could not be found.
Okay, no worries. So you close that page.
Right.
Which browser do you use? So do you use Google Chrome,
No, I
Google
don't use
Chrome,
Chrome. Don't like Chrome. I'm using
Microsoft Edge? Do you use Microsoft Edge?
I use Avast.
And I mean, do you have a Microsoft Edge on this computer or a Firefox?
No, I
Any
don't. No,
other?
I don't use that.
Okay, no worries. You do one thing, sir. Once again, you type there. Are you back to your desktop screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Once again, sir, on the search panel on the left-hand side bottom, you type there run, R-U-N, run.
R-U-N. Yeah. And that panel's come up again, yeah.
Okay, and now just remove that www.anydesk.com from there. You make that panel empty,
Right, yeah.
and you just simply type there www.google.com.
No, I'm not going to use Google. I don't like Google.com. It's not safe.
No, no, any which one. So you just need to open
No,
Google.
no.
Google.
Is that Google Chrome?
Yeah, Google Chrome.
No,
Any which
I
one.
won't use Google Chrome. It's not safe. That's
No, no, you
why
open any which one. Any of the browser. Any
well,
of your browser.
I'll use Avast. I'm not using Google Chrome.
Uh, oh, okay, okay. Open that up first.
Hang on. Oh, hang on a minute. I've lost it. It's there. Yeah. Okay, I've got Avast open.
All right. Now there's a white long panel where you can type. Right.
Yeah. Whereabouts? At the top or in the middle?
On the middle, anywhere on
In
the
the middle.
middle where
Right.
you can
Yeah.
type.
Okay. Yeah. Got that.
All right.
Yeah.
You type there A for alpha,
A for Alpha.
N for November,
N for November.
Y for Yankee,
Y for Yankee.
D as in Delta,
Hang on. D is in Delta.
E as in Echo,
Yeah.
S for sugar,
Yeah.
K for kilo,
K for Kilo.
and you can press enter. Enter from the keyboard, or you can search for it.
Right. It says the fast remote desktop application. Discover Anydesk. The secure
Yes,
and
yes.
intuitive remote desktop software. Is that
All
what?
right. So yeah, you need to click on that one, the fast remote desktop application. Click on
Right.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, what do you see now?
It says better software.
Right. And now just below that, you would see download now. We are not doing any business, so you see just download now
Download now. Hang on.
below better software.
Yeah.
You need to click on that.
Yeah.
Now, any changes?
Yeah. I've got a thing come up from the cafe saying that it's not safe. It could be used to access my computer
Yes,
by
yes. So we are trying to access
by
your
hackers and
computer
what
so
have
that we
you.
can give you the protection.
But,
So
but,
it's
but, but
McAfee just letting you know about it.
yeah, but
And below that, do you see keep? Keep.
no, 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 I don't know. It just says go back to safety, and the other one's greyed out.
And do you see anywhere which says anydesk.exe? A file anydesk.exe.
No, no.
Okay. What do you see on the screen?
I've still got all platforms, all devices, and
Hmm.
then download.
Hmm. And
Uh,
below download, below downloads, you will see anydesk.exe, a file anydesk.exe.
no,
Below downloads, do you see that?
not below it. No.
Okay. Do you see download again? Download again.
Uh,
On
yeah,
the
yeah,
red box.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. You click on that and look for the changes. Something will change. Just look for it.
It's just changed to all platforms, all devices, and the cafe's come up again with that message about not using it.
Hmm.
Oh, hang on, I've
And
also got one from Bitdefender as well. Yeah, it's saying it's unsafe. Bitdefender is
mhm.
not
And
to use
now,
it.
sir, you have a look. On the right, on the very right hand side top corner, there's a X to close the page, and below that you will see three dots or the three lines.
See what?
Uh, on the very right hand side top corner
Yeah.
of that page, you will see three dots or the three line.
P dot.
Which is, yeah, three dots,
P dots.
three dots or the three line on the very right hand
I
side
can see,
top corner.
I can see my Anydesk downloads, and then there's a Made in Europe and a London
Yeah, yeah,
number.
yeah, yeah, above that, sir, above that,
Above
at the
that,
very
I've got Lloyd's Bank Welcome, and then I've
no,
got
no, above,
uh, there's
at
no
the very
there's no P dots on it.
no, no, three dots. Do you see there is a cross at the very right hand side top corner?
Yeah,
There is a cross, and just
yeah.
below that, you will see three dots or the three line.
P dots. I can't see any P
No,
dot.
three. No, three dots. Three. Number three. Three dots.
Number three.
Dots.
Oh right, three. Yeah,
Three,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, three dots
Three dots.
or the
Right.
three
Yeah.
lines.
Okay. Yeah. Three dots. Yeah.
Yeah, you click on that,
Click on that. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah.
and then you will see there's a list, and on that list you will see downloads. Downloads.
Yeah.
Click on that.
I click on that. Yeah.
Now you will see downloads of the list of downloads, and on the top you will see Anydesk exe and Anydesk one exe.
No, there's not. No.
Do you see that?
No, there's only
Anydesk.
there's some downloads I did last night of some patterns for the wife, but there's no
Mhm.
Anydesk.
You don't see Anydesk.
No.
Okay, okay. You close that page, download page. Can you close it?
Close it. Yeah, hang on. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Now, now, what do you see on the screen?
I'm back to my desktop, my icons.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
it's noisy there.
Yes, there are a lot of other technicians
Yeah,
behind me who are helping their customers.
a bit
Are you not
noisy.
able to hear me?
I can just hear you, yeah, but not. It's very, very loud in the background.
Okay, okay. Just give me a moment, okay, sir? I'll just change my headset. Yes, hello. Can you
Oh,
hear me?
yeah, yeah.
Is it better now?
Not a lot, no, but go on, carry on. I'll cope with it.
Okay, sir. You have a look, sir, on the screen. Uh,
Yeah,
now, once again, sir, you have a look. Now, on the left-hand side bottom, there is a search
yeah,
panel.
yeah.
You type there run, okay? Once again, run.
Hang on a minute. Yeah, yeah, that little box has come up again.
Okay, and is something typed on it or is it empty?
No, it's empty.
Okay, you type there once again. www dot
www dot
A for alpha,
A for Alpha,
N for November,
N for November,
Y for Yankee,
Y for Yankee,
D for Delta,
D for Delta,
E as in Echo,
E is in Echo,
S for Sugar,
S for Sugar,
K for Kilo,
K for Kilo,
.com.
dot com. Yeah,
And
okay.
click on OK.
It says can't reach this page. www percent to C Anydesk percent to C com server IP address could not be found. Checking the
Oh,
connection.
okay. Okay, okay. No worries. You close that page, sir.
Close that bit, yeah. Okay. Right. Closed it.
Now you once again, sir, can you open up your browser? The browser.
Yeah, hang on. Yeah, yeah, it's open.
Okay. And once again, sir, you type there Anydesk, ANYDESK, Anydesk,
Anydesk.
and you
Return.
search for it.
Yeah, it's called that fast remote desktop application.
Yeah, you click on that.
Right, it says better software, better pricing, better something or other.
Right, right, and just below that, there's download now. You click on that download now.
Yeah, it says remote access. What we using this for?
Sir, we are not a magician. We cannot send you securities over the phone. So we are trying to give you the securities on the computer, and this Anydex will help you to do it. And you don't have to buy this. It's a free application.
Right,
Okay.
but what are you gonna do once it's on?
Yeah, we'll show you what exactly is happening on your
Well,
computer
well,
without
can't
your
you
knowledge.
tell?
We have not
Can't you
shown you.
can't you just tell me what to do and then I can do? I'm quite capable. I can do it.
Yes, so there are some Trojan files that you have, accidentally downloaded from the internet, because of which some hackers got an access to your device. So that's the file there. We need to remove that program from your
Well,
system,
I can't.
and that's why we have to connect.
It doesn't seem to be doing anything to my computer. It's running okay.
No, no, we are not talking about the performance of the computer. Your computer is working fine,
It,
but at the same time, your computer is getting monitored. There are some potential IP addresses which are monitoring your system now, which
well,
I'm going to show you.
what can't you show
Now,
me where they are without this? You just tell me
yes,
where they
once
are.
the computer will get
Tell
connected,
tell me
I will
where they
show you
are, and
everything.
I'll do it.
No, so if that would have been that easy, then we would have never called you, sir. It's a Microsoft related problem, so we have to do it from our server, Microsoft server. So you just click on the download now.
But can't you do it without? Because this isn't working, is it? Download now. No, it's come up with it's bit defenders come up again and said
Hmm.
um it just says that it's not safe. It's and that it just
Yes,
says
sir. We are
go
trying.
back to safety.
Hmm. No, no. Apart from that, do you see any option like OK, continue,
No,
skip,
that's
or
great.
keep?
That the one on the right. It just says go back to safety. The other one's all
Uh
grey.
huh. Uh huh. Another one. Any other option apart from that?
No, that's it. Oh, now McAfee's come up again now as well.
Yeah, and on the McAfee, you will see there's option keep and discard. There's option keep. You need to click on keep.
No, no, the bit defender's not letting me anyway. So
Can you close that?
what?
Big
Close
Defender would say.
any desk. Yeah, I've closed any. I'm back to my home screen.
Okay, okay. So I'll show you the file that you have that's running on your computer, and I
Oh,
will show you what that file is,
that
and
would
I
be
will
a
help
good
you.
idea. Then I'd better understand it. Yeah, where is it then?
All right. Okay, you have a look now on the left-hand side bottom. There's a search panel.
Yeah,
You type there T for Tango,
T for
A for
Tango,
Alpha,
A for Alpha,
S for Sugar,
S for Sugar,
K for Kilo.
K for Kilo.
Now you have a look at the top. You see
Task
Task Manager.
Task Manager. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you open that. Click
Click
on that.
on that. Yeah, yeah.
Now you see a small box Task Manager.
Uh,
You
yeah,
see a
yeah.
small window.
There's a small window. Yeah, with oh, pardon me. With Bit
And
Defender and what have you working in it in the background. And
uh-huh. Right, right. And below that, do you see more details? More details with an arrow. More details with an arrow.
Below where?
On the left hand side bottom, more details.
Right at the bottom.
On the left hand side bottom of that box, task manager, do you see
No,
more details with an
no.
arrow? Okay, at the top, do you see tabs like application, process,
Hang on a minute.
users,
I have to go back up
details,
to the top again
services?
now. Can I see what?
At the top of that list, you'll see
Process.
application, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, processes, and at the end, do you see services? Services
Services. No.
at the right hand side
On where?
top.
Whereabouts? Is that
Uh,
in the
you
apps
told me,
or
yeah, next to, can you read out? So what all are the options you can see
from
at
the
the top?
top? It says there's a few little squiggly things like, and it says processes, apps,
Hmm.
and then there's the apps that are running, and then background processes, and to the right there it says CPU, memory, and then that's it. I can't see anymore because the box isn't big enough. Oh, hang on, if I
No, no,
scroll on. Oh, and it says disk and network.
details. Do you see details? Details.
Details for what? There's nothing that says details, no.
Okay, okay. Are you on that? Have you clicked on process? Processes.
No, no, you said you didn't. I said are they in processes or so
Okay,
click
can you click?
click on
Yeah, click
processes.
on. Mhm.
No, it's not.
Now
It's
over
not.
there.
Yeah, it just says run new task, end task. Then there's three dots.
No, no. Okay, okay. You look on the left hand side.
Yeah,
Uh, you will see a small icons there, and
yeah.
that column you will see uh, the second last option, details. If you take a pointer on top of it, it says details.
Doesn't say. It says name, status, processes. No, it just says there's like three lines at the top, and then a little box, and then there's like a search, and then there's a little line, then a square, then an X. On the next line there's processes, run new task, end task, and three little dots. And then name, status, CPU, memory, um, disk, and network. And then below that,
Hmm.
apps, task
Hmm.
manager, and Bitdefender.
Oh, I mean, you can see all the processes which is running on your computer. Is that what we see right now?
That's what I say. Yeah, yeah. I assume so. Yeah.
No, no, no. And at the top where you have clicked on processes, next to processes, do you see performance? Performance.
No, no, there's nothing there. It just it
Okay.
just says
So,
when I click on processes, it doesn't really do anything. It just sort of like flashes and then goes back to how it was.
mhm. Okay, okay. Are you, sir? Are you on the task manager right now?
I
Are you
am,
in the task
yeah, I'm on
manager?
Task Manager, yeah.
Uh, and at the left-hand side top, do you see task manager? Just says task manager on the left-hand side top
It says
of
processes.
that page. Yes, processes. And next to processes, do you see performance?
No, it says run
Performance.
new task, create a new task, and then end test, and then three little lines.
No, no. So you are looking on the right. You are looking on the right-hand side. You have to look
Yeah,
on the
I'm
left-hand side, sir.
yeah, on the left, on the very left-hand side, it just says
Uh-huh.
there's the three lines and then a little box. It says open navigation when you hover over it, and then a search. And below that it says processes. Then there's a little
Mhm.
line pointing up, little thing pointing up. Then name, apps, two, and then task manager and Bit Defender. And then
Yeah,
after
yeah,
that it says
yeah.
background processes, and there's loads of them.
No, no, no. Okay, okay, I got you. So you have a look at the top, sorry, at the top,
Yeah,
above the name, above name, there is an arrow, or there's an arrow that is facing upward.
that's right. That's what I just said. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Click on that arrow.
Click on that. Yeah.
Now you see processes, and next to process, you see performance.
No, it still says run new task. Don't matter which. I can point the arrow up or down. It just says at the side of processes. It just says run new task. Create a new task. If I click it to go down, it says the same thing.
Okay, you close that task manager. You close it,
Okay, let's close it. Yeah.
and so you are using a Windows. This is a Windows 10, right?
No, it's a
A Windows
Windows
10.
11.
Oh, okay, Windows 11. Okay, you have once again, sir. You have a look. On the middle at the bottom, there is a four little square start button,
Yeah,
and next to that, there is a magnifying glass, a
that's
search
a
panel.
search. That's what we've been using. Yeah,
Yeah, you click on that and type there once again task, TASK, task,
task. Yeah, task
and
manager app. It's come up
at
at
the
the
top
top.
app, yes, click on
Click
that.
on
Yes,
that.
click on that. Yes,
Okay, it's come up with the same thing.
yes. Now you have a look. Now on the left hand side of that page, there is a options like processes, performance, app history,
There's no
startup.
performance. There's no performance.
Uh-huh.
It just says
What?
processes, and then below that, just all the apps and background processes.
Yeah, and if you just there are some icons there, right? Icons. There are some icons.
Yeah.
If you take a pointer on top of it, uh, you'll see options there. It says
Open
performance.
navigation. Open
Below there
navigation.
are on no, no, on the left hand side,
Yeah.
there are some icons there, right?
Yeah.
Some icons. If you just take your pointer on top of it, those icons.
The search
Uh,
is. That one's not doing anything now. There's open navigation, and that said is to the right of that. There's another little box where it don't seem to do anything when you go over it.
on the left hand side, there are some icons and list of icons. There are
Hmm.
four, five icons. And if you take your pointer on top of the second last icon, it says details. Details.
No, I don't know. It's like there's three lines, and when you hover over it, it says open navigation. Then there's another box which I can't read. It used to say something, but it don't do it anymore now. Then there's a little magnifying glass for search. That's on the left-hand side.
Hmm.
But there's nothing. The only thing is this open navigation.
Okay, okay. And at the top left hand side, there are three lines. Three line, right?
Yeah,
The
that's
right
cool.
left
That
hand
says
side.
open navigation.
Click on that. Click on that.
Click on that. Processes, performance, app history, startup apps, users, detailed services.
Yes, you got it. Details. Click on that details. Second last
Detail,
option,
detail.
details.
Okay. Right, yeah.
Now you will see all the files that is running on your computer now.
Yeah.
And over here, you will just scroll it down, look
Yeah.
for the file that says CSR. C for Charlie, S for Sugar, R for Romeo. CSRSS dot
CSR.
exe.
Yeah.
Two files, two files are
That's right. Yeah, there's
running.
two of them. Yeah.
Yeah, CSRSS dot exe. Now, sir, just remember this file CSRSS. Now, sir, can you open up your browser? You know, your browser. I want you to
Yeah.
check what this file is. Can you just open your browser?
Yeah. What is it? Yeah, I opened it. Yeah.
Yes, and on the
See.
middle there is a long search
Yeah.
CSRSS dot.
S S R.
If you just
Hang on a
type
minute.
there CSRSS dot exe, you will see a drop down option Trojan. Trojan at the last. Trojan. Trojan.
C R. It
No,
says
C
client
C
server
S.
runtime subsystem.
No, no,
Runs
no. The
a
one with the
user mode system service. When a
okay.
user mode process calls a function involving console
Right.
Windows process slash thread
Yes, yes. Can
creation or side by
yes. So there are
side
two
support.
files. Yeah, there are two files that's running on your device with the same name. That's the reason why your Defender
Uh,
firewall is not able
but
to
on
pick
this
it. Can
one,
you
it,
just
it says it's a hoax. It says malware hoaxes. Um,
yes, yes.
client service runs,
It's
but it says also that
yes.
it's a hoax.
Yeah, yeah. I will make you. Yes, yes. I will make you understand. Can you just be on that browser once again? I'll
Yeah,
show you what exactly this file.
yeah.
Okay. Now you type there once again CSRSS dot exe, and after that give a space and just type the letter T. T for Tango.
What is that? C S R
R
S
S S
S dot
dot exe.
E X E. Yeah.
Give a space and type T. T for Tango.
Space T. Yeah.
T for R for Romeo.
Yeah. It says called Trojan process.
Yeah, yeah. So you click on that Trojan, which says Trojan. Click on it. What I'm just trying to make you
Yeah,
understand
but it
is
says
now this is
it's registered as this Trojan allows attackers to access your computer from remote,
yes,
but it also says that it's a valid file.
yes.
It's a
One,
valid
there are two
process.
files. If you
But how do you know that that one's the right, the Trojan one, and not the real
yes,
one?
because there are two files. Yes, sir. There are two files that is running on your computer. If you can see that, or if you have seen it on your task manager, there
Yeah.
are two files running the same name.
Oh, that's all right.
One,
It tells me how to remove it here, so that's okay. I'll just remove it. Right click on the taskbar and select the task manager. Watch out for the applications that are consuming the system memory, even though you title here. Right click on the suspicious application, open its file locator. Oh, that's easy, isn't it? Oh,
no,
uh,
no, that is not that easy. I will help you.
it
You
is.
should try
It says
to.
here. It says malware fix. It says how to
Yes,
remove CSRSS.exe
yes.
Trojan virus, and it tells you how to do it.
You have to buy. You have to buy a different software. If you go through that, you
No,
will
you
have to
don't.
buy different
No,
softwares.
you don't. You don't.
And
It tells you how to do it. Hang on, I'll get it all up. It's not. It's only a few lines of it here. No, I don't.
no, no, you're not understanding. This is the file that you have, accidentally downloaded from the internet, and this file is allowing some hackers to get into your system, and now they're already on your system, and they have already started using your device as an identity on the internet, and they will keep on doing this. So we cannot afford to let that happen. That's the reason why we have called you. We are already too late, so we are responsible to go ahead and remove this frozen infections from your device, and also make sure you'll not face this kind of problems. That's the reason why you're getting this call.
Well,
Because of these files running on your device, because of your computer, some other computer users are getting affected, so we cannot let this happen. So we have to remove these files right away from your device, or else this computer might get blocked for the security reasons. So I'll help you to do that. So can you come to your task manager?
no. It says how to verify the presence of a fake CSRRSS exec file, and it tells you to click on it, and if it's in the C Windows System 32 folder, it's all right. So I'll check that. Yeah, that one is.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what I'm trying to do, sir.
No, but they're in the right. It's in the right location, so it's not a Trojan. It's a genuine thing. It's a genuine file.
No, so yeah, if that would have been a genuine file, then we would have never called you, sir.
Well, you must have been mistaken. It's probably something else. It's probably not that one then. It's probably something else.
Okay, then. So what I'll do is, sir, we'll just block this computer right now for the security reasons.
Yeah.
And you come down to our office in Reading to unblock the computer. And
Reading.
you can unblock it from your end. That's very
From
very
Reading.
good. Okay.
From Reading. Well, if I what software do I have to put on then to get rid of it if it is a Trojan?
No, you don't have to put any softwares. You don't have to buy anything.
You just said I have to. You said I have to put special software on to get rid of it.
No. If you go through, if you told me that you can do this on your own.
Yeah, but you said that there's a software. It'll be easier if I buy the software, won't it? Do you buy the software? Do you sell the software?
You don't need to buy it. We will make sure everything. You don't have to go for any third-party application, third-party softwares. Microsoft already have all the tools.
Right.
With us.
So how do I get that then?
So that's what we are trying to do here. But you're just trying.
Where do I go to get it then?
You don't have to go anywhere. So that's why we are here. We are here to give you the protection on your device. We are not selling you anything here. You don't have to buy anything from us. It's our job, our responsibility. You are using our services. You are one of our registered customer. That's why we have called you so that we can remove all these infections, potential IP from your system.
Yeah, but I'm not sure because it says these files are in the right place, so it's not a Trojan. So where else could it be? What else could it be besides this one?
You come to our office. You bring your computer along with you. You come to our office. We will make you.
Why do I want to come to Reading? What would I want to come to Reading for?
If you want to.
If you can do it from there, will you do it then? What are we doing then?
Yes, so that's why we are calling you, but you're just trying to ignore this call.
I'm not ignoring. I'm looking it up. You told me to go to this CSRRSS.exe, and that's what I've done. I'm just reading about it. That's what you told me to do.
I'm telling you, that's what I'm saying. This is a Trojan file. I've shown you that Google is telling you. I'm not the person who's telling you. Google is telling you that this is the hoax file. This is the file, replica the file of the genuine program of your device. But you're not trying to understand.
So how are we going to do it then?
Yeah, that's why we are here.
Okay.
So you close that page.
I'll close that page, yeah. Yeah. That task manager thing's still up here. Hello? Pardon?
Yes, hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, yes, sir. What do you see on the screen?
I've got it's all my icons, but I've also that task manager thing still on the screen as well.
Okay. Now you close that as well.
Close the task manager, yeah.
Now you have a look on the screen. What can you read out the icons that you have on the screen?
Oh, there's loads of them. I've got loads of them. Got Bitdefender. I've got Canon Easy Photo, Video Pad, Control Panel, Minecraft, Messenger, Avast Secure Browser, RoboBlox Studio, Series Page Plus X9, what else is Facebook, Adobe Acrobat, and there's just a load of folders with stuff in. Oh, hang on, there's BreezeZip as well, and IOBit uninstaller.
Okay, okay. Sir, you open up your browser, okay? Open up your browser.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's open, yeah.
Now on the browser, once again, sir, you have to type there www.anydesk.com.
www.anydesk.com. Yeah, it's called with remote desktop applicator. There's loads of them now. Ninja
Yeah,
one,
the fast remote desktop application.
and it, yeah, oh, yeah, got it, yeah. Better interface, better UI, better technology, better
Yes,
software, better
download.
pricing.
Yeah, download now. Download now. Below
Down,
this, download now.
okay. Now, Bitdefender's come up again with that, not not being safe.
Yes, and below that, do you see any options like
Yeah,
OK,
it says
please continue?
return to safety.
No, no, and apart from that, do you have any other options?
No,
So what we are trying to do is, as we are trying to connect this computer to our Microsoft server so that we can give you the protection on the computer
well, can't I just
and your.
download it straight from Microsoft?
Yeah, it's a free application, so you don't have to
Well, I
buy
know,
this.
but I can
It's a
go onto the Microsoft website, can't I, and download stuff from there. I don't have to.
Yes,
You,
so this
you, you
Anydesk
don't have
is
to do it
also a
for
Windows.
me. I can do
Yeah,
it
it's also a
myself.
Windows application. If you can see on the Windows 10 website, you'll find this Anydesk. It's a Windows recommended
Anydesk
application.
isn't. No, Anydesk isn't. Anydesk isn't.
It's a Yeah, it's an application. It's third-party application.
I
Most
know.
of the business giant like BT, TalkTalk, Virgin, Microsoft,
Oh,
they use this application.
it don't say
It's a
anything
free
like.
application.
Don't say anything like that on here.
IT professionals.
Hang on. No, because it's also for Mac and Android and iOS and Linux and FreeBSD and Raspberry Pi and Chrome
Yeah, that's what I'm
operating
saying. So
system.
it's a third-party application that most of the business giants, technical business giants, they use this application to connect the computer so that we can give you the securities. We cannot send you securities over the phone.
But you can send it, but you can send me a link by email, surely. If you
Okay, you
send
keep
me,
on waiting, sir. You keep on. Where are you? It's fine.
sorry, hang on, Lightware client, smooth remote desktop connections. I don't understand why you want to put this Anydesk on, because it's to remotely control my computer. I don't need anybody to remotely control my computer. I've got a remote control for my
The
telly
hackers
and.
are already controlling your computer, sir. They are already on your device. They are already
Oh
on your
yeah,
device, and they have
really?
already started controlling your computer
Well,
because
do it
you
then.
downloaded that
Well,
file
sort if
through the
you're already
internet.
on my computer, sort it out.
Yes. So the only thing that we can do from our end is to go ahead and block that computer and
Can you?
terminate the services
Well, why do you want
for
to
the
block? Why
security
would you
reasons.
want to block my computer when it's on? I can just, if I wanted to, I could just format
Turned
my
out to
drive
be
and
a
start again,
security
couldn't
threat.
I? I don't have to, you know,
Now you
worry
do
about.
whatever you feel like doing, sir. We are blocking your system now.
But
If you think you are very smart, you
I'm
can
not
do
very
this on
smart.
your
You're
own.
just a fucking mentalist, and